Go.
Hi, we're Senior Design Team 16. We're creating a photo transfection system, and we want to give a short demonstration of our prototype. For our final project, we're going to have a system that to steer a laser beam onto a specific spot onto a microscope slide. But for our video deliverable, we created this prototype, which shines this laser beam from a laser pointer onto a specific spot onto a grid on the wall that we've just printed out and taped onto the wall. So I'll just go over the parts of this system. Here we have just a basic laser pointer that's taped down onto just this thing to prop it up so it's at the right position. That shines onto this, which is a galvanometer system. These two things are each have rotating mirrors that are controlled by these two galvanometer control boards, which are each powered by a 15-volt power supply and receive a control signal from this DAC card, which is a Measurement Computing USB 3101 DAC card. That DAC card is in turn controlled by a C++ program we have on the computer, which is a short program, about 100 lines that we wrote. When you start the program, the first thing that it does is it asks you for the path length, which is the distance from the galvos to the wall, which in this case we measured as about 120 centimeters, and that's relevant for the mathematical calculations, which is relatively simple trigonometry. Although when you add in multiple mirrors and multiple distances in the microscope system, it's more complicated. But here it's essentially just a tan function. So the system needs to be calibrated, which we've already done for the purpose of the demonstration. But once that's done, you can give it XY coordinates. I'll just send it to 1310, and then when you turn on the laser, you can see that it's shining at 10, 11, 12, 13 here, and it's actually a little bit higher than 10. My suspicion is that the laser, so I probably bumped the galvos since we calibrated it. That's why it's a little bit off. So if we give it another coordinate, I'll give it 2015. Again, it's a little bit high. Again, probably because I bumped it a little bit during the demonstration before. But in the final system, when everything is fixed and you can't just bump it, that shouldn't be a problem. So that's our mid-year prototype. Thanks.